Hi, my name is Katie, and I graduated from the University of Southern California, where I studied neuroscience. And during my time in college, I participated in neuropsychology research. I was on the debate team, and I was also a member of various volunteering organizations. And now I work as a medical assistant in Denver, Colorado at an OBGYN practice. So I began tutoring when I was actually a freshman in high school, and I developed a curriculum for middle schoolers preparing to take the high school placement test, which is the test they used to get into private high schools in my area. And so ever since then, I've really been passionate about teaching students, and I've done that through various different tutoring and coaching roles that I've had for the past 8 years. What makes me unique as a tutor is I really focus on deep conceptual understanding of the concepts on the MCAT. So for me, what was really interesting when I was studying for the test was getting to study so many different subjects simultaneously, because when I was taking different courses in college, I took a lot of them separately. I would take organic chemistry one semester, and then I would take physics another semester. And so really being able to integrate all those different subjects at the same time helped me gain a big picture understanding of how the natural world works, which I found to be really fascinating. And I love to help students gain that same understanding that I think really helped me prepare for the test. I also am really good at setting a strict but realistic schedule that students are able to stick to, and working with students to personalize their study plan by identifying weak spots and narrowing in and being able to focus on addressing them. I would say that my greatest strength as a tutor is my ability to connect with students and support them. I absolutely love coaching because I really enjoy being a cheerleader and being my students' number one supporter. And so I will really put in the time and the effort to meet individual students where they're at and give them everything that I think that they need to be able to be successful. But I'm also very good at setting a schedule for students to stick to, and I think that I'm also really good at addressing questions when they come up and explaining concepts in an understandable way, because I self-studied a lot for the MCAT, and so I really had to make sure that I was able to understand each of these concepts on my own and put them in simple terms. And I found that the way that I structured those notes is very helpful for explaining that content to students. I think that the key to success on the MCAT is practice. It's getting as many reps in, it's doing as much reading as possible, because truly that's the one way that you're going to be able to make sure that you're applying the vast amount of content that you're learning to the test. I think that sometimes students could potentially spend too much time trying to memorize all the specific things that they need to memorize for this test without spending enough time seeing how those concepts get applied on the test, which a lot of times relies on reading comprehension skills, something that I'm very passionate about because I have been an avid reader my entire life. And so what's really interesting about the MCAT is that you're integrating these scientific concepts with the reading comprehension, and you'll find that a lot of times the answer is in the passage, but you need to be able to kind of piece it together, understand how all these different molecule names or genes relate to one another in order to answer questions. I'm really passionate about helping students with the MCAT because I know exactly what it's like to be in their position, and I know that it can be a very daunting task. There are so many different concepts that are on this test, as well as, the necessary skills of reading comprehension and logic and, test taking strategies. And so because I know how challenging it can be, it is rewarding for me to be able to step in and kind of support these students in the same way that I would have loved to be supported myself when I was studying. And in general, in my tutoring and coaching roles, I absolutely love helping students and watching them progress over time, and I find that very fulfilling.